When I was a kid, as I recall, the first time I ever sat on a motorcycle, I got on a machine where you could just twist the throttle and it would take you somewhere. And that's just an absolutely thrilling experience. When you twist that throttle and it takes you effortlessly where you want to go, there's something absolutely amazing about that feeling. There's a lot of different reasons people ride. I think the young guys on the bullet bikes are looking for an adrenaline rush. They want to ride really fast and sporty and aggressive, right? So that's one type of riding. Whenever I'm on a bike, I'm looking for a beautiful, inspiring area to ride in. Whether I'm riding my big bike or dirt bike, I'm always looking for some beautiful, scenic drive that is inspiring to me. And I'm looking at nature, I'm soaking it in. I'm soaking every feeling of what's going on around me. I'm noticing the beauty of the place that I'm in. Beartooth Pass is a road that goes from the north end of Yellowstone into Red Lodge, Montana. And it's 120 miles. And you get up to 11,000 feet, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It looks like what the European Alps look like. You're up so high, you're actually looking down on these gorgeous, beautiful alpine lakes. So as you're on the road, you're seeing all this actually below you, and that's one of the most beautiful places. I just took a great ride this last weekend in Moab on the Shafer trail. And it enters Canyonlands from the northeast. And it's just absolutely gorgeous. Red rock all over. You're going through these beautiful valleys. You're seeing these amazing formations. But it's just absolutely amazing. And there's not a lot of people out there. I'm always kind of looking for places that aren't too crowded. When I take a ride, it feels like a meditation to me. My mind is in a different place. This calm, relaxed place. There's also a real hyper awareness of safety things. So if there are cars around or if the road's doing something weird, I'm actually hyper aware of that. And it's a weird place to be, kind of, where you're completely relaxed but also hyper aware. That almost seems like a contradiction, but I hear a lot of riders describe it that way as well. The feeling of the movement, the power in the throttle, the road, the beauty as it passes you. I like to hike, but the interesting thing about a bike is you're going just a little bit faster, and so this beauty that you're seeing going past you is just coming at you so quickly, I guess. You know, one of the coolest things that happens to me when I am kind of in that state of tranquility and meditation and inspiration and things like that is that I inevitably will begin to think about those that I love. So my wife, my kids, my close friends, and that is such an important thing to me. My mind will go to those people that I love, and I think about my relationship with them, and if I am treating it right, and if I'm respecting it, and if I am giving to them in the way I should. And so the best ride for me, I will come back a little changed.